Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place. I'm Essay, Essential Speaks Messages, and this is going to be for you timeless. I hope that you all are fine, doing well. There's going to be like someone or something you are trying, or someone, because I see here a person who is trying to reach, but one, you don't know that they're trying, but two, and which is important more than one, is that they're trying to reach to you, but they cannot actually see you, right, in reality. So basically, there could be geographical distance, like real time seeing you. Like this is possible their inner desire or wish in like maybe they never expressed in this time frame, and maybe this is someone fresh energy in the territory where people just meet once or twice or talk once or twice, and they may want to meet you again because they met you, and if they never met you and talked with you, they would love to meet you in real. That's it. That is the message, Aquarius. Okay, because I also see here very strong presence of energy, which in the way is trying to convey me that they love or they would love to connect with you on a deeper note in the coming time if they haven't done it yet. So if you wish to support the channel, you may do so via PayPal, UPI ID from India, and GPay, also international payments. Also, if you wish to book the private reading, Essential Speaks Messages at gmail.com. That's my Gmail. And um, till now, you may direct message me. I'm on Instagram. Okay, links are available in the description. That's what they're giving me the message. Something shitty happened in your life, and it's not like long time. Like it just happened. um, it happened. So it's your timeline, of course, but it's not like I'm not talking about years ago, kind of. Not so many years ago, kind of. Might be 1 or 2 year or 3 year possible for some of you. These are general, okay? But not like 20 years ago. Like something happened that did put you in a situation to like little bit go down, and then you secured yourself, and then you came up, like you came out of that situation, and you came out of that situation on your own, and then you broke a certain circle here in your life, and then you no longer follow that. Okay, which means that you are more positive, or you've always been positive, and that's why you left that negative scenario and you broke the circle. Okay, basically cycle, I should say. You broke the cycle, something that wasn't good. I do see steps. I do see someone walking, and this is not a walk in a park, not like strolling or something. It's giving me this energy of like someone walking towards you, like energy, as I said prior. This energy is stepping, walking towards you or in your life. Now, this can go vice versa. You could be that person. I also see here like same moment. Like you might be the listener, they might become the listener the second way. Like if you're speaking, of course, they're patient enough to listen to you. If they're speaking, you're patient enough to listen to them, kind of energy. And I'm not even saying that this came like all of a sudden. Like this kind of energy, when you listen and you have patience and vice versa, it came after a while, like after some time, after experiences, after hurting, getting hurt, disappointed. And now where you are in your life, you're like that now. Okay, so the card that flipped out of the deck is very interesting, and it's like you are winning, like you won something huge, and also you're about to win something in future, and that is also going to be grand, huge. Okay, something that you are going to opt for, apply for. This could be certain exam, maybe if you're waiting for that, it's going to be positive. If it's interview, it's going to be positive. Something that you're going, like you're walking in as well. You have Six of Wands energy, and it's also about, here I see communication. But with that being said, because I already expressed that someone is walking in your life, and this is also like listener and kind of, um, this energy is telling me that, what was I saying? I forgot. It's like strong communication, and it's when I am talking about, it's like you're going to win. Like you're going to feel, and this person is going to feel that, oh, it's not a war, it's not something, but it's something that is giving us peaceful communication scenario. Okay, strong arrival though. um Now there are two things. One, as I said, that someone is walking, and also second, I told you that you are also, transitioning, and you're going into some lane and new thing where you're going to be successful. Okay, that's what I said. um, but there is also someone who is, mhm, steps. They're saying that whoever is walking in your I do feel like this is entry of someone in your life. This is someone who is going to enter in your life. And yes, I was saying that this is also about exchange of words. Like the way it's going to be spoken, it's going to be worth. The way it's going to be expressed, it's going to be worth. Okay? Oh, this is someone who is going to, they are coming. Like for me, Six of Wands is also my prediction of like lover coming home. So for some of you, this is someone who's going to admire you, adore you, love you, or lover, or someone partner is coming in your life. They are going to, um, they're strong from mind, from body, however you want to say, but from mind, they're very strong and they know how to come out of struggles and win the situation. Same goes for you. This is about equal energies. When they spot each other, 0707 recording time, you are 07, they are 07. Okay. Now you may like decode this, but this is something like, yes, you're 0707. Um, So it's someone who is returning, or turning towards you or in your life. And this is a strong arrival and a strong communication and a strong win and strong aha moment and strong something. Anything that is going to be here, it's also called as approved. Like it's not, it's something, if you're waiting for some kind of approval, literally, it's going to be getting approved. Okay, so yes. Let's see what is going to be coming for Aquariuses. While going on in a grocery, they're saying that, I don't know who does need this, but whoever is going into a grocery store, they're saying, because everyone does, right? Every now and then, they're saying, park your car somewhere safe, not aloof. Mm-hmm. They're saying lock the door, check the back, the trunk back, check the front. Don't park in some lonely area. Just don't take shortcut. Just be in a crowd and be there and be involved near like people. Okay, and if you see or feel anything, you know, anything that is of doubt, when you return around, check your car. Okay. Also, if you feel like that, just go in the mart or grocery store again. Like, just okay, just be safe. Yes, I told them. Exact. Anything else? Nothing. I'm also seeing here as if like oh, someone is trying to get in your car to break the lock or something. So please check your locks again. Of a car, especially, they're showing me the car. Okay, so let's see what is coming for you. Communication, very, very clear. As if like you're just going with the flow and there is a communication happening with someone. Now, this could be with any person, this could be with any person regarding work, job, anything, or friendship or romance. But whatever here I see, it's someone. Okay, and mm, it's very clear. I thought something is coming, and they came. Okay, you have Page of Cups. It's polite, it's loved, it's good, it's from another kind of scenario. What I said, I told you way back, like in this reading way back, that with whomsoever you're going to talk or end up communicating or you're doing, it's like maybe you don't meet daily. Like maybe there's geographical distance. So this person does want to meet you in real. So they're developing feelings, or they'll develop feelings for you very soon. They're going to message you with care and love. Page of Cups. So yes, and this could be someone from where there's water, beach, riverside. Something is there. Okay, a different kind of fishes over there as well. A certain kind of fish that is, they're giving me the word from the Nemo, not the clownfish, no, Dory. Dory. Keep swimming, keep swimming. Yes, that kind of color. Yes. Uh, oh, and wow, it's so merged, like camouflaging. It is blue. It is blue. Wow, so interesting. So, Page of Cups. So, someone is going to say something that is going to touch your heart in the coming time. It's also that, like, not just like talking, messaging, but it's more than like someone who's going to express their soft heart and warm feelings, and someone who's going to say something that is going to touch your heart. I'm telling you, they're going to say something that is going to touch your heart. This could be a new friend to become, like, you know. Hmm. You know, that's so weird. And that's what the messages come through, and we see on the cards, those are not even there. Get away. Someone who does want to get away from something and to be with you. Like, get away with me. I don't know what does that mean. Like, someone does want you to be with them, to go somewhere and, sit and talk and let's get away from this place. You have Eight of Wands and Death card. It came through like reversed, okay? But anyhow, I'm going to give you the messages. You're definitely putting an end to some kind of communication or connection or contact or work or anything. But also it's saying you're putting that stop to something in order to start. But for certain cases, and I'm not saying this is for all, but for some of you, you're putting an end to something that was very specific, but you're also transitioning into the same connection into something, or someone wanting to do this, like transitioning into something else. Like the way they were talking, they're going to talk now different, like something that they might end up saying to you, and that's going to touch your heart. But it's also telling me that a very major cutoff and discontinuation of something, discontinuation of a communication. But on the other side, there is something else that I see starting. Look, at the top card is Four of Wands. Stability after putting an end or cutting off something, which is very much required. Something is going to be full stop, and it is happening because it is required. Okay, it is required, and it is. I'm sorry for this, and it is required, and that's why it's happening. Okay. And the bottom energy is Three of Pentacles. Again, very interesting. Like this, whoever this person is, they are working, but they're also waiting to talk to you. Okay, they're working, they are just in doing something. Okay, whatever they're doing, even if they're free, they are feeling like they need to talk to you. They need to come forward, and they need to make this effort to talk to you, because apart from work and everything, you give them kind of like different energy of peace. Okay. It's hell hot. But we don't know how hot is hell. So, yeah. Yeah, that is for you. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.